Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Happy Wednesday to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. Weather headlines: lake effect snow bands will start wrapping up tonight and through the day tomorrow, so we have less overall snow. A brief break on Friday from also the snow, but probably a little bit of warmth as well. Try to warm it up a little bit. More snow, more cold, especially for the second half of the weekend, first part of next week. Scranton 18, Burlington 14, Campbell also 14 degrees, but you factor in the wind. It is cold out there. Feels like 1 below in Utica. Feels like 3 in St. Mary's, and it feels like 4 in Buffalo. Satellite radar showing some of the lake effect bands that continue to hang on and rotate on through. We'll see a few more of these for tonight and continue, at least in part, for the morning hours tomorrow. But in general, once we get past tomorrow, I think we get a bit of a break on Friday in terms of snow. Then we get a chance for more snow on Saturday, Sunday, Monday. The bands don't really necessarily situate themselves that we see a lot of lake effect snow, but I think we see a chance for more of that by the time we get to next Tuesday. So we're still going to have a chance for some snow showers. At least we're going to move the temperatures a little bit here and there. Low to mid-20s for tomorrow and Friday. Upper 20s near 30. That's close to what we should have this time of year. Next storm system comes in by early Tuesday. That one's going to likely drop temperatures by Tuesday afternoon. We'll have an early afternoon high in the upper 20s, and you can see turning colder by the middle part of next week. Still going to be windy tomorrow. Sustained winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, especially from about the mid-morning hours into the early afternoon. They will settle down a bit as we go into late afternoon, early evening tomorrow, but that means wind chill values down low, 7 below 0, 6 below 0. So we head through the morning hours, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, around 0 by 10 a.m., and then single digits to around 10 degrees as we go into the afternoon. But you get the idea. It is certainly going to stay on the cold side. Bundle up. More lake effect bands for tonight into tomorrow morning. Those will pivot on through. 13 degrees to start the day on Thursday. More lake effect bands continue during the day tomorrow. Watch what happens in the afternoon. You see that back edge of the clouds starting to push off of Lake Ontario. That's some of that drier air coming in. 21 for the high temperature Thursday. Thursday night into Friday, we actually start to clear the sky out a little bit, get a few breaks in some of the clouds. 17 to start the day Friday. A little sunshine before the clouds thicken back up Friday afternoon before that next storm system moves in, and we'll top out in the low 20s. How much snow through about Saturday morning? Inch to 2 inches in a couple of spots. Not expecting a whole lot. Could be a little heavier back across western parts of the viewing area, but for the most part, we're not expecting a whole lot of snow. Overnight tonight, still cold, still blustery. Wind chill values will be below 0 most of the night tonight, dropping back down single digits in teens. Northwest wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Another windy day tomorrow, cold, between about 15 and 20 for the high temperatures. Wind chill values will likely stay below 0 and single digits most of the day. Another round of snow coming on Saturday, upper 20s to low 30s, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Before that next cold front starts to nudge in, and we'll see temperatures drop back off by the middle part of next week. Back to you.
Thank you, Brian. Coming up
Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Happy Wednesday to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. As we go through the next few days, we're trying to warm temperatures up a little bit, get a bit of a break in some of the lake effect snow. It's going to take until tomorrow afternoon for that to start to wrap up. So lake effect band will still be around tomorrow, but things will start to quiet down as we go through tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. A bit of a break from all the active activity on Friday. Still going to be on the cool side. We'll try to get temperatures back up near freezing as we head toward the weekend, but we're still looking for more snow, more cold this weekend. Next storm system comes in on Saturday with the next round of snow. Bus stop forecast for tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be around 13 degrees in the morning. A few lake effect snow showers still hanging around, and that will be the case in the afternoon as well, but I think overall coverage will be decreasing by tomorrow afternoon. Low 20s for tomorrow afternoon. Right now, a mix of mostly teens. 17 in Buffalo, 13 in Scranton, 12 in Burlington. You factor in the wind chill values around 0 to a little bit below 0. Feels like 4 below in Utica. Feels like 3 below in Burlington. Feels like 1 lone degree in Buffalo right now. Radar satellite showing some of the bands of snow still coming on shore off of Lake Ontario. Still have a little bit of enhancement from some of the bands a little farther to the north and east. But overall, we're looking for these snow showers to kind of wrap up. We'll get some more dry air to come in from the north and west, and that's going to help to erode some of those lake effect bands. So our chances for snow tomorrow into Friday start to drop off, especially as we go through tomorrow afternoon through the day Friday. By Saturday, that next storm system already here, generating some snow, and that'll quiet down a bit Thursday. But then as we go into early next week, another chance for, yes, you guessed it, more snow. Should be around 30 this time of year. We'll be in the low low 20s tomorrow and Friday. Upper 20s near 30 for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So 3 days with temperatures at least close to normal. And that next storm system comes in with a shout of colder air for late Monday into Tuesday. Probably by Tuesday afternoon, that front's already through, so temperatures may drop by Tuesday afternoon. A couple of cold days Wednesday, Thursday of next week, then hopefully improvement once again. The winds will be strong again tomorrow as well. Sustained winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, and you bet that's going to keep the wind chill values on the colder side. 7 below in the morning, getting to around 0 by 11 o'clock or so, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, then single digits to around 10 degrees. That's it for an afternoon wind chill value. It's not going to get much better. Here's what we have going on for tonight. The lake effect bands continue through early tomorrow morning, down to 13 to start the day on Thursday. Thursday, 8 a.m. to noon, we still have lake effect bands still coming on shore, but notice late in the afternoon we start to erode some of that cloud cover off of Lake Ontario. That's some of that drier air coming in. 21 for a high temperature on Thursday. Friday morning starts with a few breaks in the clouds, maybe a peak or two of sun. 17, but the clouds come back in by Friday afternoon. 23 for the high, but that chance for snow going up again on Saturday. Through Saturday morning, not a whole lot of additional accumulation, but we'll likely see additional snowfall during the day Saturday, so be prepared for that. Single digits and teens overnight tonight. Wind chill values well below 0. Still a bitterly cold day tomorrow. Teens and 20s. Wind chill values 0 to around single digits in the afternoon. Upper 20s to low 30s Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Cold front comes in late Tuesday. That's going to cool us down with more snow showers and more cold air middle part of next week. Back to you.
Thank you, Brian. Tonight we are morning